Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all of you. Today is our tutorial that is very important and is about plotting in Excel. That how we can plot in Excel. We will also having some intro that how we can add data to the Excel. But before, if you are new into my channel and not subscribe to my channel right now, so please subscribe and also click on the bell icon. So let's start our tutorial. So let me open the Excel. So this is Excel and open this black word book. So here start from any cell. Here is our cell and in this we will add randomly data. So let's call this X. And here add data. For example, if I want to add data from -6 to +6, so here -6. And here from -6 to +6 you can add data with very ease and attract. So we will do this by a series. So for the calculation we will first add the equality sign and add this, select this and add plus, and we will add a step size. For example, if I want to add a step size of 0.5, so it will do very easily for us. Now just click on this dot and on the left and stretch this to the +6. This is 5.5 and this is 6. So this is calculated very easily. And now add your y data. Y can be any function. If I want to draw parabola, so for example my function is y is equal to x square, so x power 2. So I will calculate this very easily. So let's do this. This is put the equality sign and click on the x and add a square. So -6 square is equal to 36. And now click on this dot. So this is autofill option and all your y data will be calculated. Now come here and select these two datas, x and y, and click on this, click on the right, and from here insert, go to the insert option, or directly you can do this from here, insert option. So go to the insert and come, there are different types of charts, so you can select any one of them. So click on this. This is a scatter which is made of dots, and this is a smooth line with the points indicated through this dot. This is a smooth line without dots, and this is another line type which join the true point by a straight line, and this is the same but show the dots, the points. So these are the other types, but you can select any one of them, but let's select this one. This look very beautiful. So from here you can add things to, you can label your axis and title. So go to this, click on this plus sign and add title to your axis. So I will select this is my y axis, and this is x axis, and this is a parabolic function. So this is how I added the labels and function title. You